Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to go AFK. Please donate on mobile, because I know there aren't very many tutorials up there about this. So first thing you want to do is go into a public server like I am, claim a stand, because most people don't want to sit around for hours. And then after you've done this, you're going to simply want to stand by your sound and press the gift button. And then you're going to want to type in the username of one of your friends in a random message. I want you to hold the jump button and press gift. And then press stop gifting, and you will continue jumping. And then if you try get on top of your stand, this is one way, but I would personally just suggest going by the side as it is a lot easier. Enjoy your free robux, guys. Also, if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. For those of you who are not aware, I'm going to do a giveaway, and please donate Pepsi Max at 50 subs, so make sure you stay tuned.